Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the heart-pounding world of colossal waves. From remote corners of the ocean to breathtaking natural phenomena, we present to you 15 big waves you wouldn't believe if not on video. Prepare to witness the sheer power and beauty of these incredible forces of nature that will leave you speechless. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content. Let's embark on this epic journey through the awe-inspiring realm of massive waves. Number 15. Sailing through storms. Videos of sailing vessels navigating through tumultuous storms reveal the immense size and power of waves that challenge even the most seasoned sailors. Number 14. Wedge, California. The Wedge is a famous surf spot in Newport Beach, California, where wave patterns interact to produce colossal and unpredictable waves. Number 13. Canary Islands swell. The Canary Islands experience powerful swells, and the waves crashing into its volcanic cliffs are a sight to behold. Number 12. Alaskan Megawave. Alaska's unique combination of glacial and weather patterns can create gigantic waves, towering over ships and icebergs alike. Number 11. Big wave tidal bores. Tidal bores, like the Qiantang River tidal bore in China, occur when incoming tides form large, surfable waves that flow upstream against the river's current. Number 10. The Maldives reef breaks. The Maldives, with its shallow reefs, can experience massive waves that rise dramatically before crashing onto the shore, mesmerizing onlookers. Number 9. Wave height records. Various scientific and naval vessels have recorded extreme wave heights during severe weather conditions, reaching over 170 feet, making them some of the tallest waves ever documented. Number 8. The Seven Sisters, Norway. The Norwegian coast is home to the Seven Sisters, a series of tall, majestic cliffs. Massive waves crash against these cliffs during storms, creating a breathtaking and awe-inspiring sight. Number 7. Tsunami waves. Tsunamis are one of the most devastating natural disasters, characterized by enormous waves that can reach hundreds of feet in height, wreaking havoc on coastal regions. Number 6. Draupner wave. The Draupner platform in the North Sea recorded an extraordinary wave in 1995, measuring around 84 feet in height. This event confirmed the existence of rogue waves, which were once considered mythical. Number 5. Ship-swallowing waves. Large waves, often called ship-swallower waves, have been known to capsize and engulf even the sturdiest of vessels. These terrifying waves can appear unexpectedly in the open sea. Number 4. Mavericks, California. Located near Half Moon Bay, Mavericks is a renowned surf spot famous for waves that can exceed 60 feet. Only the bravest and most skilled surfers dare to ride these monstrous waves. Number 3. Nazar, Portugal. The underwater Nazar Canyon off Portugal's coast funnels waves to create giant swells that can tower over 100 feet. It has become a world-renowned spot for surfers and spectators to witness these awe-inspiring waves. Number 2. Jaws, Pihai, Hawaii. Known for its colossal waves, the surf break at Jaws Pihai is a magnet for big wave surfers seeking the ultimate challenge. Some waves here have been documented reaching heights of nearly 70 feet, providing a breathtaking spectacle. Number 1. The perfect storm. In 1991, the crew of the fishing vessel Andre Gale encountered a massive wave during the notorious perfect storm off the coast of New England. The waves recorded during this storm reached heights of over 100 feet, leaving witnesses stunned. We hope you enjoyed this captivating exploration of 15 unbelievable big waves that you truly had to see to believe. Remember, the world is filled with wonders that can often defy our imagination, and these magnificent waves are a testament to nature's breathtaking spectacle. If you were as astonished as we were, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, stay curious, stay awestruck, and keep riding the waves of wonder.